guys, that's the breakdown of Imela by Judikay. All right, it's a recent song. So the song is very simple. The chord progression is straightforward. All right, so we have the one. All right, we have the one. We have the one. The C major. We have A minor. So we have C major. We have the one. All right. After that, we go to this G major, then F major. All right. Then come back to one. Then 6. All right. So when I leave from the 1, I'm going to the 6. I have to do that, you know. It's like a rundown, all right? Imela 5. Oh, that is to F. Imela 1. That's 6. 6 A minor. Imela. Imela, so that's a simple chord progression, guys. Remember, I was using many voices. I was using Galaxy as well. Then I was adding this melody line. So re do ti. That's G G D C B G G D C B. You go to the 5. Alright guys, do wait to subscribe to my channel for more beautiful content. God bless you.